Journey with the Joneses.
Oh, good morning. We're about to head on out, so I gotta clean up all this stuff. But I had this one thought as I woke up this morning because I'm such a distracted person. I was supposed to be doing RV rebuilds and doing before and afters to show you guys and bring you along on the journey of how this thing was being restored, which is very challenging, I'll say. The thought that came to me was that when you get saved, God doesn't make you a clone. If your culture was from the urban culture, what he does is he takes your culture and he sanctifies it. So basically, he takes what we are and restores it and brings it back to a place where it is better than what it once was. So welcome to our cleanup process. Right here, we are putting everything away.
They try to name me, try to frame me fast, but I came up mirrored off a life that lasts. Same face, different flame, same blood, different pain. I learned my shine ain't real, I own every stain. Look in my eyes, you'll see the proof. I'm not a copy, I'm the truth. Yeah. Every scar I wear got a story in it. I was made right here, and I'm still in it. I am not a clone, I am a reflection. I am not a clone, I got my own direction.
So we're on the road, and I really hope we get to 3 different welcome centers, or else I will be upset. One is a Virginia Welcome Center in Clearbrook, I-81 North Welcome Center for West Virginia. I think it's like Bunker Hill or something like that, and also the Mason-Dixon Welcome Center in Maryland, so that I get magazines and pamphlets and it makes me happy.
I hate long drives, but I gotta get something. I could have found a Celsius. Cheryl. Okay. All right, here we are at the Virginia Visitor Welcome Center. Heading on up to Pennsylvania. What's the next place? You wanted to go to West Virginia?
I finally visited Virginia Welcome Center weeks later.
She's sitting here crying about it.
Yeah,
Literally crying about it. Oh, hold on. Let me take stuff out of my pocket.
Look this way.
Yeah, I might have to get a new laundry room. Don't slam the door in my face.
Come on in.
This is the laundry room.
Journey with the Joneses. Journey with the Joneses. Yeah, we level up.